Bro, show us what the new guitar is.
Alright, so this is a Eastman E1D, left-handed, possibly the only one in the country. And these are made by Eastman Strings in Beijing, China. They're handmade.
Oh, China, okay.
Not in a factory, but in a workshop.
Okay.
And these guys make violins. In fact, they're the biggest Asian violin maker in the world.
Right.
And they also make mandolins. And they are absolutely slaughtering the world of high-end guitars by building guitars that we can buy at about a quarter of a price off likes of Martin. So this is probably pretty close to a D18, which is like $6,500, and these retail for $1,200.
Oh yeah, the D18's a famous Martin guitar, isn't it?
Yeah.
How would it compare with the structural build of it? Is it as strong and as
100%. So it's all hand scalloped. So all the bracing is hand scalloped and hand done.
Okay.
And yeah, it's got the usual sound bars. It's pretty much made. Well, it's designed on a pre-war Martin.
Okay.
As far as the build, but certain things about it aren't Martin, which affects Sapelli. And Martin never used Sapelli. And the likes of if I say a D18, they use mahogany. And Sapelli is an African.
So that's Sapelli on the sides, is it?
Sapelli back and sides. And Sapelli is like mahogany, but it has a more top end.
Okay, it's beautiful. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
And it's a Sitka spruce top, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. How's that dried? Is it dried naturally or is it?
Yes, no, it's not thermo-cured. It's just a standard wood.
Okay.
But in saying that, it's AAA spruce.
Oh, yep.
So there's A, there's double A, and AAA spruce is AAA spruce.
Is that the rating of how good a quality it is?
Yeah.
So is that one piece or is that two pieces? That top?
The top.
It's got to be two pieces.
Laminated. Probably two pieces, but it's still a solid top.
Yeah.
Right. Two pieces.
Yeah. Okay. What's on the inside there? Let's have a look at that Eastman. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I remember these guitars been going for a while, eh?
Yeah, 20 years, I guess.
And the machine heads, are they all hand put on, or is that all?
There's no machining involved at all. So they're basically based on the pre-World War II style of tuners.
They look cool, don't they?
Oh, brilliant! It's just a crazy guitar.
And that's a left hand. It wouldn't be too many left-hand ones in the country, would there?
It's maybe the only one.
Right.
And only a handful of right-handed ones because they're handmade. They only build so many instruments per year.
Yep.
They build tens of thousands. They might build 300 of these a year for the world.
Okay.
Right, so that's why there's only one or two that comes into New Zealand.
And you paid for it?
I paid $10.55 for it, but they retail for $11.95.
Nice going, bro.
Yeah.
I'll park up on the chair and give us a wee tune. Nice one, bro.
Played the wrong note, hear that? We to fucking,
Doesn't matter. I had a C harmonica that had stuff stuck inside it. So I had one note missing. Listen. It's got some flat notes in it. Doesn't matter.
Right.
Showcasing the guitar. It's a nice sounding guitar. It's got a beautiful tone.
Yeah, fucking that's what you call a cannon.
It's a lovely sound, eh? Really got a real
Fucking
resonance.
amazing.
This guitar is every bit as good as my Taylor, which is about $5,000. My main guitar. It's every bit as good as actually the Martin I used to have. Yeah, it's a good buy. Anyway, bros, just thought I'd share my bro Tristan, a little bit of his guitar, and his Eastman. Yeah. Go steady, and we'll see you next Bro Check Club video. See you later.